Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some burgers that I have tried over the weekend. Over the weekend, me and my mom, we went to a place called Dairy-Ette, Dairy-Ette's. It's over in East Dallas. It's pretty good. I enjoyed the place. This is their burger. Yeah, it kind of look kind of weird right now, but it's still good. And it's just a bacon burger with the cheese on it. Well, yeah, with cheese. And they had some shoestring fries, but it was kind of too oily. Yeah. Yeah, still too oily, but it's better since I put it in the air fryer. And I also have some Wingfields. It's pretty cheap. I didn't expect it was gonna be as cheap as it was back when I used to go, like a long time ago, over 10 years. So I'm hoping it's gonna be like, will taste the same or whatever, because I end up giving this half to my mom. So yeah. Well, yeah, the buns and stuff has already came off, but I don't really care at this point. And when we were at Wingfields, we went across the street and went to this corner Mexican store. I ended up getting a old school Coca Cola, so I'll be trying that as well. But hopefully everybody is having a great day. So far, I decided to just use some of my spicy ketchup that I had in the cabinet from Whataburger. And they also have now the whole Whataburger spicy ketchup with hot sauce. I think I tried it and I wasn't a fan, but I don't remember. Yeah, let's get into this burger. I think this, I remember, was good. Some burgers you can't eat a second day. That's pretty tasty. I have some mayo and mustard over here. We'll put on it. Just for me putting it in the microwave, it kind of, well, it's still juicy or whatever, but it's pretty good. They had like a drop-in, like the whole root beer stuff and set up. We just sat in the car and ate. It was kind of full in there, but it's pretty good. These are the Wingfields fries. They were pretty good the first day I ate them, but now kind of overdid it in the air fryer, but it's still good. Over weird heat. This meat on the Wingfield burger kind of remind me of Mundo's burger and like Good Burger, so this is gonna be interesting. When I get a house or get a place that I know I'm with, well, probably, hopefully a house, I want to get a old school Coca Cola machine, like in the 70s or whatever. That'll be neat. Like the whole glass frame or whatever. I wanted the bar stools for Coca Cola, like the whole or like a drive-in almost, or whatever, with the bar stools or whatever. But I didn't think it would be worth it at these apartments that I'm at now, because I didn't plan on staying this long, to be honest, to actually decorate all that stuff. So yeah. Yeah, let me try this. We'll try some more. Hey. Dang. Felt better. Yeah, so what? God dang. What's wrong with this hot sauce? Interesting taste, but not mine. Yeah. At all. Let's see. Yeah, let's get into this burger. I'm not about to mess with this soggy bread. That's all I know. Ah. It's even pretty good. Every time somebody out doing hot stuff, yeah, Wingfield is still good or whatever. Kind of reminds me of a Jack in the Box burger, like before, like how it was tasting like in the 1990s, I guess. But yeah, it's not as good as it was before. That's all I have to say. Dang. Yeah. My weekend has been excellent. It would have been, well, it was great. It would have been better if I would have just seen my brothers or whatever, but next weekend I'm supposed to see them, so we will see how that goes. At what's it called? Dairy-Ette, say actually toast their bread and stuff. I think, yeah, they toast their bread too at Wingfield, but it just seemed like the wait was kind of long. I would do Dairy-Ette again. I don't really like they fries though. Seems like they needed to change their grease or whatever. But ain't nothing compared to a homemade burger. I have to make one of those. It probably look nasty as heck now. Pretty tasty. Sometimes you just gotta, I guess, try different things or whatever, but sometimes the things that you thought were good back in the day is not good at all. Or maybe they have different cooks. The only reason that I actually wanted to do Wingfields was because I was on Reddit and somebody asked a question about who has the excuse me, who has the best burgers in Dallas. And somebody said, oh, Wingfield is pretty good. And I was like, I asked him, I was like, dang, is it just as good as it was back in the day? And they was like, yeah, it is. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try it out. And now it's a burgers and breakfast. I didn't know that. I guess it was always it. I don't know. Thought it was just Wingfield burgers, even that. But what kind of breakfast they cook? I didn't look at that. But I think prior to this, it's been like 10 years, 10, 15 years since I went to Wingfields, probably. I don't remember, it's been a long time. And it's this burger place that I used to go to. Well, it wasn't a burger place, but it was just basically an ex-son by my old school that was really good. They had good burgers. I don't know what burger. I really don't know the street, but I know the street, but I'm sure that stuff's still the same. I'm not about to go all the way over there just to get no dang burgers. was pretty good. I think my next thing to do is make some burgers over the weekend. Probably, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It was freaking 90 degrees today. And, like, the crazy thing about it, like, just yesterday, well, matter of fact, this morning, like, 12 something to 4 or 5, it was like 30 something degrees. And then it went up to, like, 90 degrees around 8 or 7. I was like, what the heck? Some crazy stuff. So the weather is not doing, well, not allergies, my system is not doing well with the whole weather change. BS. I personally didn't have to put seasoning on this burger, the Dairy-Ette. So on the other ones, I did have to just sprinkle a little bit. And yeah, it's awkward. Yeah. Pretty good. I think I would choose Dairy-Ette burgers and Wingfields fries. This is awkward. That's the type of stuff you have to eat fresh most of the time. But I never had a burger that was like from a restaurant that tastes good like after the second, third day sometimes. I think I'm done. I have a lot of crap. Probably about to have a snack afterwards. I don't know. I don't know what I would even have. Probably some strawberries or some grapes. And blueberries. I don't know. Depends. But yeah. My weekend has been pretty good. Great. Thanks, I had no complaints at all. Trying to see what the direction of what would like to do this year as well. So if you guys have any ideas of what you would like me to upload, just let me know. And I will, do something new. Dang. I would like their patties to be a little bit more tinier. I mean, not necessarily tinier, but like smushed in a little bit, but that's still good as well. Yeah, let's finish this up. Well, let's finish this soda up at least. Okay, I'll see you guys later, guys.